How's your eye, baby? Baby girl. Baby. Show me your bung eye. Oh, baby girl. It's not fair, is it? What do you do with your eye? Show me your eye. Oh, baby. Hello, baby. Here's your little eye, hey? Show me your eye. Hello. Oh, baby girl. Do you want me to take you to the vet? Am I going to take you to the vet? Hmm? Can I take you to the vet and fix your eye up? Yes. I love you. Come here. So I've brought the kookaburra to a place called the Unusual Vets. He's just in there getting seen to. I am very stressed. So I hope he's going to be okay. Good news. They've checked him over. He's had an antibiotic. There he goes. So it's the next day and he's here. You know, it looks bad still, but he's a little apprehensive, doesn't trust me, which is fair enough. But he's back, so that's very important, isn't it? That makes me very happy. He looks a little thin today. But we'll see how he goes. Good morning. Good morning, Ozzy. How's your eye, sweetie pie? How's your eye today? Oh, it's looking a little bit better. Is your eye looking a little bit better? Let's have a look. Oh, baby boy. Are you okay? Had a big sleep? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at you. You're a good, brave boy.